Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm over the moon excited to share with you my fall home tour for 2019 season. So this is episode 30 in my I Love Fall series. You guys, we are having the hugest fall party on my channel. And today's video, I'm going to share with you guys my entire home tour, outside, inside, all the little special spots that are just going to get you so excited in the mood for fall. It's definitely one of my favorite seasons. I also have a huge I Love Christmas series coming up, so stay tuned. We're also going to do some more fun Halloween and Thanksgiving DIYs. But without further ado, you guys, I have worked so hard on getting my house ready. I hope you love it. I hope you're inspired and you're just getting all the cozy fall vibes. So without further ado, let's jump into this cozy fall home tour for 2019. Welcome to my fall home tour for 2019. This is my mailbox, and yes, I went over the top with this beautiful, fun mailbox floral. It's so festive and ready to greet all the neighbors driving by. And then, of course, I had to decorate my little outdoor bike. And then there is Tinky. Oh my goodness, she is saying hello to you guys. She wants to be a part of this fall home tour and fluffing everything and getting everything all ready for you guys. So I love this vintage bike. It's just so fun to decorate. I think it was originally an old exercise bike, and we just pulled some of the exercise things off, painted it white, and we were good to go. It's so fun. And then here's that farm fresh pumpkin wreath that I shared with you guys how to DIY using Dollar Tree supplies. You guys know me, I love to save a buck. And then moving on to my front porch, I do like to decorate too some of my little outdoor planters. I love this family, friends, and football sign, and Dollar Tree has some really cute little scarecrows. And then I just used some of those baby blankets to pop on to the front porch. And then check out these farm fresh pumpkins. These are real pumpkins. They finally came in. I was so excited. And then some fresh mums all ready for the fall season. And you guys, I am so in love with this garland that I shared with you guys how to do using Dollar Tree supplies and some burlap fabric. Definitely fun and fabulous and ready for a special fall event. I even took my son and his girlfriend's picture outside of there in the first football game, and I hope there's more pictures to come as well. So here's a cute little doormat that I found at a garage sale for $4. It was brand new. Now let's go inside the house. I've been so excited to share this with you guys. I've been moving things around and cleaning and just getting it all tidied up and ready to share. So welcome into my fall living room. I recovered those little chairs with some buffalo check plaid fabric that I found at Walmart, and moving on to my mantle. You guys know I love to go over the top. I worked on those floral burlap bows over the weekend, and then I added even some more beautiful, vibrant, rich fall colors to go in with a little garland that I had originally decorated with, just to really zhuzh it up a notch. And then of course romantic candles. You guys know me, I love to add a touch of romance and glam to almost any home decor. I think fall is the perfect way you can mix rustic and glam. And then here is that burlap bow, and I just added that to the side. I added one to each side of my mantle, and then I made this cute little, it's just a little banner. It has a Dollar Tree leaf that I popped over the plain banner, and then I hot glued a little pumpkin to the center. And then Target Dollar Spot has these local grown large burlap sacks, and they're great to fill with some stuffing. You can make them into a pillow, or you could just use them like they're an oversized decor piece, which is kind of what I did. Now moving on to my sitting area with my beautiful brown leather sofa. I'm really embracing this piece this year because it is a really dark, rich, vibrant color. I added in some gray velvet pillows and some buffalo check plaid pillows along with this thankful pillow. I really feel like these are going to translate into even and Halloween and Thanksgiving and even Christmas, hopefully. And then here is my entryway table. I love this space. It is also so fun to decorate. I like to balance it with a lamp on each side that match, and then in the center I'll do a big floral, and then I just use that Dollar Tree Pumpkin Kisses and Harvest Wishes, and I zhuzhed it up by adding a beautiful matted frame. And then of course I had to do an over-the-top floral. You guys know me, I love my florals. I think it's really nice to have something lovely at the entryway of your table that smells good. So I'm using this apple candle that I found at TJ Maxx. And then I just set out a fresh bowl of candy corn. You guys, my family's crazy over that treat. And then as the Halloween holiday approaches, I will change that out and we'll do trick-or-treat candy. We don't get a whole lot of trick-or-treaters on our street. Comment and let me know if you guys get trick-or-treaters. I kind of wish we were that neighborhood that had a ton of trick-or-treaters. I think that would be really fun. But I do take my kids trick-or-treating every year. It was a tradition when I was a little girl, and it was so fun. Even my parents would dress up. So here is moving on towards my dining room space. This big, beautiful picture I got at a garage sale, you guys, for $1. It was such a steal. It was back in my heavy flea marketing days when I did have a flea market booth. And then here is my dining room. I did go for it with my chandelier and add in some beautiful fall florals. And then you guys saw me do a video on redoing this little shelf. Again, another garage sale thrift store find. I did find this Autumn Acres pumpkin patch at Hobby Lobby, and I also shared with you guys how to create pretty much all the florals that are in this video. So if you're interested in doing some fun DIYs, definitely check out the huge fall playlist down below. I love to decorate with handmade things. I think it's so fun. Also, I wanted to let you guys know that I did find the Dollar Tree pumpkin plates. Oh my goodness, I was over the moon excited to find these for you guys. For only $1, you guys, these pumpkin plates look really, really high-end. Now, they don't feel super high-end. They are plastic. My daughter even commented on that. But they're super fun just to set out, you know, because this is more for decor. A tablescape like this would be more for decor. I would set a table like this, though, for a Thanksgiving dinner or just a nice family dinner, but I'm not too particular when it comes to seasonal plates, and if I can get a good deal on them, you guys know me, I love to save a buck. And then those cute little squirrels also came from Dollar Tree, as well as some of these florals again. And then I did spray my pumpkin over here with some copper. I've been kind of loving the copper accents. I think it's a nice change, just for something different. And then I added in those thrifted candlesticks and candles. I was so excited to find them because they're on a timer. And then here's just a little overview of my fall tablescape, and I hope you guys are loving it. I've shared so many tablescapes with you guys so far this season, and I have so many, honestly, more to share. The sky's the limit, truly. I always have so many ideas. Now moving into my Happy Fall Y'all kitchen, I shared with you guys how to make that burlap wreath. And then here are just some Dollar Tree. They have those cute little gather little dish towels out, and I just layered them on top of the Dollar Tree blessed dish towels that have that buffalo check plaid. I even hung up some of my baking mitts this year. I'm going to go hot and heavy in the kitchen, really get my bake on. It's my son's senior year, and I do cook for his wrestling team. They love my homemade cookies. Now, they're wrestlers, so sometimes they always can't have them until after their meet, but yeah, I definitely love to spoil them with some delicious treats. And then here's another one of those Target burlap bags. You guys, I think they're so cute. And then there's just some Oreo cookies I put up there in a jar, and I have to tell you guys a little story about these cookies. When I was making this vignette, I thought about a friend of mine and her mom. We'd go over to her house on the weekend, and her mom would have a big jar of Oreos, and she'd have them set up really high, and if we ate all of our dinner, we'd get 2 of them. So it was like a really special treat in her home. and that was just a really sweet memory. That friend has since passed, but it was just so fun to think about that and honor that tradition. So I really feel like decorating is also telling your story and the things in your life that bring your heart joy, your family and your home and your kiddos and your pets and maybe your job or your crafting or just the things that bring you joy. I think they're fun. So this season, Acorn Spice by Mrs. Myers has definitely been my go-to for yummy smelling hand soap and cleaners. I do have a 5-piece free gift set if you guys want to take advantage of that down below. I love their stuff. It is one little thing that I do splurge on, having really yummy sprays and cleaners when I'm cleaning. It's a game changer, you guys. You really should try it, honestly. It's so fun to have something to look forward to. I don't know. I'm just kind of that person that likes that kind of thing. So here's a pretty little candle. I shared with you guys how I set up my coffee bar. I just added some cute little coffee cups that I found at Goodwill, and then a pretty little floral. And then here is that delicious banana bread. You guys, we have been baking it up on my channel this season, and I love a good hot bowl of homemade chicken noodle soup in the fall time. Nothing beats that in the crock pot. The veggies get all soft and delicious. And then here's my little Hoosier cabinet. I did go ahead and run to Dollar Tree and add some jars of candy corn. And then my family loves little candy corn pumpkins. Hopefully they won't go too fast. I'm thinking maybe in the jars I'll be able to keep them around a little bit more. And then here is a spice cake that I baked for my kiddos and Mr. Romantic, and then some nice fresh apples. I love keeping apples around in the fall as well. They look really pretty, plus they're pretty delicious and healthy for you as well. And that rolling pin, it even has a special place in my heart because I remember when my son was in the 7th or 8th grade and he went through this pie baking phase. They were baking pies at school, and so we made like 6 homemade pies one year. It was so funny during the holidays. So many special memories when I look around my home and when I'm decorating. And I just want to share with you guys what I have on my fridge. It says, pray, set goals, work, succeed, thank God, and stay humble. I love having a really nice little reminder on my fridge that I can look at every day as well as my family's pictures. So now we're just going to take our delicious banana bread back into the living room, and you guys are going to probably notice in this video I played around with the garland on my mirror several times. I added it and then I took it off. So I need you guys' help. Comment and let me know what you guys think about the leafy garland around that mirror. I just wasn't for sure if that was going too over the top or if I need to do something kind of different. I thought it was kind of pretty though, and then I changed my mind. I did change my mind too on those little brown cabinet doors, and I added those little white shutters back into that space as well. I'm kind of a creature of habit, but I do like to play around with different things. I think it's fun to play around with different new fun home decor. It just keeps things exciting and interesting to me. I'm loving these romantic candles and the pops of crystals against that leaf, and the candles so fun and fabulous and ready for fall. Again, I think it is such a perfect time to add in a bit of rustic to your glam and all the cozy fall vibes with sweaters and blankets and just the thought of being inside and watching a movie and snuggling up with a good book. I think that's so fun. I love that. I really truly enjoy every season, and fall definitely is one of my favorites. The other thing I wanted to ask you guys is, have you started decorating for fall yet? If you have, do you also decorate for Halloween, or do you just add in some pops of spooky here and there? And if you do decorate for Halloween, do you guys like to go spooky or do you just go cutesy? I really lean more towards cutesy. I'm not really super into the spooky, but I do know it's kind of fun. My kids like to go to haunted houses here and there. Okay, you guys, so here is my thrift store outfit of the day. It's just kind of this cute little oversized shirt, and I put a yellow tank under it because it is kind of slouchy. It's the Victoria's Secret pink brand, but I did find it at the thrift store. I was super excited because I think this is a really pretty fall color. And then I have these kind of big chunky gold earrings with it. And then I just paired it with my Cool Mom jeans. Ready to go there. All right, I hope you guys are loving it. Definitely check your thrift stores for some fun stuff. Also, I don't know if you guys noticed, I shared this with you on my Instagram story, but I did kind of whack my hair. I almost gave myself like some long bangs. So I went kind of crazy, but it's still long. I did give it a good trim up. So anyway, there's an update on my crazy hair. All right, I love you guys. So thank you all so much for joining me on this fall home tour for 2019. It is such a blessing and an honor to have you guys here. Thank you. If you're new and you love to make your home's boutique gorgeous on a budget and do fun and inexpensive home decor, DIYs, baking, cleaning, all of that kind of fun stuff, consider subscribing. I would love to have you. This community is very, very kind and just wonderful and super crafty. I love all of the pictures you guys share with me on my Olivia's Romantic Home Facebook group page. Pop over there if you guys want to post some of your home photos and DIYs. I love to see what you guys are up to. Also, I do have an Olivia's Romantic Home Instagram page. Go check that out. I share with you guys a good morning every single day, and also just behind the scenes of what I have going on in my crazy little life. So I have a huge Christmas surprise for you guys, and I cannot wait to share it with you guys, so definitely stay tuned. We're also going to be doing some more Halloween DIYs and Thanksgiving. So I have so many ideas planned for you. I hope I don't run out of time before the season is over. So definitely stay tuned. I post 3 videos a week, Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. So anyway, I love you guys. I'm hugging you all so tight. I'm wishing you the most beautiful, blessed day. Until the next video, we will talk to you soon. Bye-bye. Come out here to say